Good day class. In this video we are going to talk about exercise number 2.7. Okay. So question number 1 is find first of all I am writing the questions. First 0.2 0.4 divided by 2. Okay. So what we have to do is just 0.4 upon 2. 0.4 upon 2. What we have to do? Remove that point. It will give us 10. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. It will be 2 by 10. Or we can write it like 0.2. Okay. Next is 0.35. 0.35 divided by 5. It will be 0.35 upon 5. When we replace this, it will get it 100. 5 7 are 35. It will be 7 by 100, or we can write it 0.07. Third is 2.48 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4, or we can say 2.48 upon 4. When we remove the decimal, it will get us 100. So when we divide it by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, and 4 2s are 8. It will be 62 by 100, or we can write it 0.62. Done. Next, question number 4. 65.4 divided by 6. Okay, so it will be 65.4 upon 6. When we replace it, it will give us 10. Okay, how to divide this? It will be 6 1 is 6, then 0, and 6 9 is 54 upon 10. It will be 110.9. Question number 5th. Question number 5th is 651.2 divided by 4. 651.2 divided by 4. Or we can write 651.2 divided upon 4. When we will remove this decimal, it will give us 10. What we have to do is we have to divide this whole number by 4. So 4 1 is 4. 2 remains, 2 5 25. 4 6 are 24. Again 1 1 11. 4 2s are 8, and 4 8s are 32. It will be 1628 upon 10. It will be 162.8. Done. Next is 14.49 divided by 7. 14.49 divided by 7. Or we can say that 14.49 upon 7. When remove this decimal, it will give us 100. Okay. So it will be 1449 divided by 100. So 7 2s are 14. Again this 4 is not applicant, so it will give us 0. 7 7s are 49. It will be 207 upon 100. It will be 2.07. Question number 7th. Question number 7th is 3.96 divided by 4. 3.96 divided by 4. It will be 3.96 upon 4. When this will be removed, it will be 100. 4. So 4 9s are 36, and 4 9s are 36. It will be 99 by 100, or we can say that it will be 0.99. And the last question for it is 8. 0.80 divided by 5. 0.80 divided by 5 equals to 8 upon this point is removed, and it will give 100. Okay. When we divide 80 by 5, it will give us 16. So it will be 16 by 100, or it will be 0.16. Okay, the answer is 0.16. This was question number 1. Next we are going to do question number 2. Question number 2 is same as it was question number 1. But what we have to do is just divide by 100, 10 or 1000. Question number 2. First, 4.8 divided by 10. So 4.8 divided by 10. Okay. So listen class, when we have to divide by 10, 100 or 1000, when we divide by 10, 100 or 1000, we will what? Shift the decimal to right and left hand side. Okay, so answer will be, when it is only 10, then we have to place it 1 times forward. So it will be 0.48. Okay. Next is 52.5 divided by 10. So it will be 5.25. Next, third, 0.7 divided by 10. So this will move there, it will be 0.07. Fourth is 33.1 divided by 10. So it will be 3.31. Fifth one is 272.23 divided by 10. 272.23 divided by 10. So it will give 27.223. Question number 6 is 0.56 divided by 10. 0.56 divided by 10. So it will be 0.056. 0.056 because this point is shifted there. Question number 7 is 3.97 divided by 10. 3.97 divided by 10. It will be 0.397. The final answer. This was question number 2. Now we are going to question number 3. Question number 3. First, it is 2.7 divided by 100. 2.7 divided by 100. So what we have to do? We have to shift that place 1 and 2 times. So it will be 0.027 because we have to put a 0 there and then move it 2 times. Second is 0.3. 0.3 divided by 100. So it will be like this, 1 and 2. 0.03. 0.0. So 1 and 2 times. It will be 0.003. Okay. Third will be 0.78 divided by 100. 0.78 divided by 100. Okay. So it will move 2 times. It will be 0.0078. Okay. Or you can, what you can do, we can also solve it like this. 0.78 divided by 100. When we remove that point, it will again give us 100. It will be 78 by 4 zeros. So what we have to do, we will have to make it 40078. Okay. And what we have to do, we have to place a point there and then we have to write the answer. And the last question is, no, not the last, fourth one is 432.6 divided by 100. 432.6 divided by 100. So the digit will, point will shift to 4.32. 4.326. This was fourth. Fifth is 23.6 divided by 100. 23.6 divided by 100. So it will be like 0.23, 0.236. And question number 6 is 98.53 divided by 100. 98.53 divided by 100. And this point will move 2 times forward. So it will be 0.9853. Done? This was our question number 3. Next is question number 4, in which we have to divide it by 1000. So okay, question number 4. Done? Question 4 is 7.9 divided by 1000. First, question number first, 7.9 divided by 1000. Okay, so we have to move 3 places forward. The answer will be 9,700.0. Okay, how many places we have to move forward? We have to move 3 places forward. Okay, next is second, 26.3 divided by 1000. It will be 0.0263. How many places we have to move? We have to move 3 places. Third, 38.53 divided by 1000. 38.53 divided by 1000. It will be 0.03853. Question number 4 is 128.9 divided by 1000. 128.9 divided by 1000. It will be 0.1289. And the fifth question is 0.5 divided by 1000. 0.5 divided by 1000. So it will be 0.123. 1, 2, 3 and 5. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we move to question number 5. Question number 5. Okay. How many questions we have to do? There are 9 questions and I will in question number 6, 7, 8 and 9. Question number 6 is 7.75 divided by 25. 7.75 divided by 2.5. Oh, 0.25. 0.25. So we can write it like this: 7.75 upon 0.25. When we remove this point, it will be 100, and when we remove this point, it will be 100. So what I have to do? Cross these 2 zeros, and 25 3s are 75, and 25 1s are 25. Answer will be 31. Okay. Next, 7th. Question number 7th is 76.5 divided by 0.15. 76.5 divided by 0.15. It will be 76.5 upon 0.15. First we have to remove this, it will give us 10, and then we will remove this, it will give us 100. And cross this one. What we have to divide this by 15. 15 ones are 15, and 15 5s are 75, and 15 ones are 15. Okay. The answer will be 51 into 10 equals to 510. Question number 8 is 37.8 divided by 1.4. 37.8 divided by 1.4. So So 37.8 upon 1.4. So it will be, okay, when we remove this point, it will give us 10 down there. And when we remove this point, it will give us 10. So when we divide it by 14, 14 on the 14, it will be 14 to the 28. Okay? Then answer, then the remaining part is 9 and 8. It will be 98, 14, 7s are 98. Okay, the answer will be 27. And question number 9 is 2.73 divided by 1.3. 2.73 divided by 1.3, or it can be 2.73 upon 1.3. When we remove this point, it will give us 10, and when we remove this point, it will give us 100. Okay? So you guys can remember this. After with the table of 13, what we can do is 13 2s are 26, 13 1s are 13. It will be 21 by 10, or we can say 2.1. Okay? So 2.1 is the final answer of question number 9. Okay class, what you can do is, you can do question number 1 to 5, and if there is a problem, you can call me or send me an update. Okay, next we will go to question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is, a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will be covered in 1 liter? So, total distance, okay, we can say that question number 6. Distance covered by vehicle in 2.4 liter of petrol equals to 43.2 kilometer. Okay, distance covered by vehicle in 1 liter equals to, so what we have to do, it will be 43.2 divided by 2.4, or we can write 43.2 upon 2.4. When we remove this, it will give us 10, and when this will be removed, it will also give us 10, and 10 will cancel. It will be 432 divided by 24. Okay. So when we divide it by 24, 24 is 24, 24 2s are 48. So it will be 24, 1s are 24. So how much left? 19. 19 into 2, it will be 192. And 24 7s are 24 8s are is 192. 18. It will be 18 kilometer. Okay. So class, this is our chapter number 2 completed by various videos. Okay. If you want to get more videos or more chapters, then you can watch my channel Impress with Digits. Thank you class.